another vlog. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button beside it para ma-notify ka if may new release akong video. Die! Hi mga ka-lighters! Ay sa mga bashers. What's up mga kampis? So, for today's vlog, guys, yay! So, ayun guys, 1 million na po tayo. Thank you so much po. Guys, inyong lahat. Grabe, 1 million na po tayo mga kakampi. Super thank you talaga. Sobrang thank you sa inyo guys.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get
Sure ka? Kasi ako, ex ko makausap ko, ganito sasabihin ko. Gusto ko man na bumalik ka, di naswak talaga. Maliit na ngayong apoy, nililiyaban mo pa. Parang ayaw mo ng gabi na walang drama. Ginawa mo relasyon na ting telenovela. I got some bad things I wanna tell my team. I know how to make the girl go crazy.
I'm fine.
Take it out west, shake it out west. Go metallic knife, I can shake it out west.
Tapos alam mo, bastos ka eh. Magaling ka lang naman manghusgay. Lakas mo pang tumaya kahit wala kang pamustay. Diba? O di ba baliw ka? Oo, literal na baliw ka. Di ka na ba nagtataka kung bakit di kami nalapit sa'yo kasi putang inabaliw ka?
Si Dogs Exclusive.
Eto na namang hindi mapakali. Iniisip ka tuwing gabi. Naalala mga bawat sandali. Ang sakit pala kapag naloko ka. Kaya naman sa relasyon na to ayoko na. Masaya na ako, wag mo kong ginagago. Umanap ka na lang ng maloloko mo na bago.
Hey boy, really wanna see if you can.
I'm down when I'm like me, hey. Baby, come give me something. Ella que me lo ponga pa' atrás. I'm single when I'm lit, bitch. I'm single when I'm lit, bitch.
Ganda-ganda ng pangalan ko, tapos tatawagin mo lang akong baby mo. Ulul! Sa panga.
Ikaw ang aking dasal, panalangin. Hiling sa may kapal at dalangin. Salamat.
Tapos alam mo, bastos ka eh. Magaling ka lang naman manghusgay. Lakas mo pang tumaya kahit wala kang pamustay. Diba? O di ba baliw ka? Oo, literal na baliw ka. Di ka na ba nagtataka kung bakit di kami nalapit sa'yo kasi putang inabaliw ka?
With it, group drop.
All of the things I do.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
Pwede ba kitang yayain?
Saan?
Sa pasyalan.
Sige ba?
Pagkatapos ituloy na sa kasalan.
Ha? Baliw ka ba?
Ito naman hindi mabiro.
Parang gago ka kasi.
Halika dito.
May gusto ka bang sabihin?
Hindi ka na nagchat-chat. Okay lang. Ano naman? Kala mo namimiss kita? Ulul! Mag-reply ka na.
Baby, baby, please, ikaw ay nami-miss. Kailangan ko ngayong gabi.
Inutok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, walang the please. At ang sabi niya sa akin,
Ay, manyak! Manyak ka! Manyak! Ah! Manyak!
Alam mo, pag ako naging drama, wala ka ibang marinig sa akin, kundi puro kiss muna. Alam mo kung bakit? Kiss muna.
Alambingin kita alaga, ang ikaw lang ang tatabihan sa higa.
I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house.
Pwede bang dito ka lang? Dito ka lang sa may tabi ko. Gusto ko lang malaman mo.
Man, this beat got me feeling like the franchise boys in this bitch. Lean with it, rock with it, lean, swear, rock.
All the little birdies on Jaber Street. Love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet.
Pagpasensyaan niyo na boses ko, pero ito lang yung kaya ko eh. Kaya katang malit.
Tayo na lang dalawa, tayo na lang magsama.
Sipote na
My heart just got stuck between these loops. My mind got stuck in.
Cut your hair?
Yeah!
Why? It looked so much better when it was longer. Well, your mouth looked so much better when it was closed, so why don't we keep it that way?